About this tester circuit, right? So to find out the conduction of different material like conductors and insulators, right? So today we are going to find out like the salt water is a good conductor of electricity. First I am using the ordinary water in the beaker. This is a small beaker. This is an ordinary water. Okay, better stand up please. Hold this water. So I am dipping the two terminals here. Turn around. Show this to the class. So I am dipping the two terminals here. You can see there is a weak light here. There is a glow in the bulb, but a very weak glow. Right? Okay. Sit down. Now I am going to take some salt. This is a common salt. This is a common kitchen salt. So I am adding the same water here and mix it well. So I am using the pencil here to mix this salt water. Okay, so I am keeping this here and keep the tester circuit here. So this is a bright glow, right? I am again using the previous one, the ordinary water without salt. We'll wipe it out first. So here is a poor glow and here is a bright glow. So the bright glow is the reason that the salt water is a good conductor of electricity, right? So okay.